I want to show you a very lovely strategy that can help you to make money from the forex market. There are different ways to make money from the forex market, and in this YouTube channel I bring you several strategies that you can use to make money from the forex market. Now, your responsibility would be to backtest this strategy, and if it works for you, why not use it? There are many ways, there are many strategies you can use to make money from the forex market. There is no one strategy that is the best. What matters most is your ability to use that strategy and master that strategy and start using it to make money from the forex market. Look at these two structures. This is daily candle number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, it could as well be H4 candle, it can be H1 candle, any candle, but this is like your setup candle, like in your setup time frame. Okay, now you have to note your first candle. If your first candle is bullish, your second candle is bullish. Now your third candle, just mark the tip, the high on a bullish scenario. Okay, once you mark the high, you are waiting for your third candle to begin at this particular point. You can see where I marked, where we shaded. All right, so once your candle come here, once your candle for the third day, or the third candle, if you are on a H4 or a H1, comes to this to the wick or the high of the candle number 1, then you have to step down to lower time frame and look for your entry confirmations. In the same way, and for the bearish scenario, this is your candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. All right, once you have candle number 1 and 2 and candle number 3 starts forming, you are supposed to mark the low of the candle number 1. And so at candle number 1, once price breaks away from the low of candle number 1, all right, comes to the candle number 1's point, all right, at the low, and now breaks away from it, then you look for entry confirmation on your lower time frame. All right, so as I said, it could be on the D1 time frame. All right, that's your daily time frame, can be your setup time frame for this strategy. If you don't want to use your daily time frame, you can as well use your H4 time frame. All right, your H4 time frame can as well be your setup time frame, or even your H1 time frame. Any of these time frames that is suitable for you, you can use it for this strategy. All you just need to do is to identify your candle number 1, candle number 2, all right, and now you mark the low of the candle number 1 for a bearish scenario. All right, so once you've marked that low, now you are waiting for price for the third candle to form at that point. Once the third candle forms at that point, then you are now going to step down to lower time frame to look for your entry confirmation. So, and the entry confirmation will be something like this. This is like your lower time frame entry confirmation for this case. Okay, you want the price to come over there, give you like a break of structure to the upside. All right, and now you or your shifting market structure, and now you look for some sort of entry confirmations, return to order block, you get into the trade on a lower time frame. This could be like your 15 minutes time frame or your 5 minutes time frame. It's a lovely strategy. I want you to backtest. Okay, see here, like in this case now, this is your candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. The other candles have formed after this setup has worked out. So here you mark the high. Since it is in a bullish phase, you mark the high of candle number 1. So as price came on your third day, or your H4 candle, the third candle, as price came to the high, all right, starts forming from the high. Now you step down to lower time frame to look for your entry confirmation. Like this is the lower time frame of this version. So here, this is the lower time frame. You look for your shift in market structure, and now your return to order block or your change of character. All right, change of character, and then return to order block. That signifies your entry into this trade. You place your stop loss just below this the low. All right, the swing low here, and you ride the market up. You can go for like a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 or 1:3, or you trail your stop loss. All right, so this is one strategy that can really help you. We're going to go to the chart more to see other examples of this. All right, like I want to show you more examples right now. But if you're yet to subscribe to YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below to let me know what aspect of trading that you want me to make videos for you to explain, to make expository and explanatory videos for you to help you to grow your trading career. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, to take you by the hand and help you become a very profitable forex trader, I will do that joyfully and gladly for you. All you just need to do is to send me a DM. The link to my DM is in my Telegram community. All right. And the link to my Telegram community is in the description box of this video. Like, look at in this case now, you can see this chart. This is like all USD chart. All right. You can see there are several setups that have worked out from this strategy here. Let's mark this setup. Like you can see here, this is this setup here. This is candle number 1, all right, candle number 2, and candle number 3. You can see that this candle, in between candle number 1 and 3, we got this setup. All right, the low of candle number 1 should be marked, and now when candle number 3 forms, you go down to lower time frame to find your entry. In this case as well, you have your candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. Bullish candle. This is a bullish case. So when you mark the high of candle number 1, and when candle number 3 begins to form, you step down to lower time frame to get your entry. In this case as well, on the bullish phase, you see this is your candle number 1 here, candle number 2, and candle number 3. So here, this is the high of candle number 1. So when candle number 3 starts forming, you step down to lower time frame to get your entry. Here as well, this is candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. So the intersection of candle number 1 and candle number 3 forms your entry. So you just need to know that the intersection of candle number 1, we have candle number 1, 2, and 3. The intersection of candle number 1 and 3 signifies your entry. Then you step down to your lower time frame to get your entry. That is it, whether for a bullish case or for a bearish case. So in these cases I've marked, this is case number 1, case number 2, case number 3, case number 4. In all these cases I've marked. Let's step down to lower time frame to see. This is your H4, H1. I was actually on a D1 time frame. Now this is your H1 time frame. You can see here as well. That's those setups. Okay, I marked 4 setups. Okay, let's go back to D1 time frame. You can see there are 4 setups that I marked on D1, all right, on a daily time frame. Now if we step down to a 1 hour time frame, you will see those setup. Okay, you can see those setups. That this is like your break and retest. Okay, it was like your break and retest here to the lower downside, break and retest here to the upside, break and retest here to the upside, break and retest here to the downside. This is bearish, this is bullish. Okay, this is bullish, and this is bearish. Okay, so on a lower time frame, so this is like your break and retest. For here, this is like your break and retest, you know, like this, break and retest here as well to the upside. Here break and retest to the upside, and here break and retest to the upside, and here break and retest to the downside, break and retest to the downside. All right, so this is the strategy, and let's look at them individually. So individually, you can see here, this is that number 1. You can see how that this probably should be your first candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. All right, how that the break and retest occurred because of that as a result of that strategy. So here you could see there's this bearish order block here that could signify your entry, or you just trade it as a break and retest. All right, break and retest of zone created of the low of candle number 1. All right, break and retest of the low of candle number 1. Now as well you can also see the second one here as well. The second setup that we have, the break and retest as well. Just as I showed you, this is the second setup I showed you on D1. This probably could be like your candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3. All right, so here as well, this is a break and retest to the upside, just as I've showed you as well. Okay, so this strategy, please kindly backtest this strategy. All right, backtest this strategy. It would be one strategy that can help you to make money. There are many strategies that you can use, many price action strategies that are lovely that you can actually use. The most important is for you to backtest them, master them, know the principles behind them, and actually know define your entry confirmations method, define your risk propensity, define your risk to reward ratio, define your stop loss, define your take profit, and all the trading rules that has to do with that strategy. When you do that, you master that strategy. That can actually be a strategy that will begin to yield you a whole lot of profits from the market. All right, this one as well, you can see this final one here as well. This is like a break and retest as well. That's from this is the fourth setup in that chart I showed you. All right, that this all USD chart. All right, so this is like a break and retest of it. This is like your first candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. All right, so at candle number 3, the break and retest occurs, and then you get into the trade. Like even here, you can as well see that this is like your supply zone, but then you just trade like a break and retest, and that strategy would work out for you. So please, if you're here to subscribe to this YouTube channel, do not fail to do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned a thing or two from it. All right, and also join our Telegram community. If you want me to train you one-on-one, mentor you one-on-one in forex trading, do not fail to contact me. My contact details is in my Telegram community, and the link to my Telegram community is in the description box of this video. All right, till I come your way next time with useful content, do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.